Cavite, bayang karerista, kayo ang bida.
Gates open, they're up and racing. So lucky, moving up. Mas masaya sa Pinas is sneaking in by Darrell Jetson. Then moving up the Fountainhead on the outside to grab the lead. Now we have the Fountainhead takes command by about 2 lengths. Running in second, Mas masaya sa Pinas. 2 lengths back in third is Jetson, Lancelot, and so lucky is in behind them, heading towards the 600 meters pole. It's entry number 5, the Fountainhead, leading the field by about 4 lengths now. Jetson remains in second. Lancelot now racing in third. Shuffle back in fourth. Mas masaya sa Pinas. And so lucky. Rounding at a 450. Jetson goes right for the lead. Shuffle back in second by the rail is the Fountainhead. Lancelot is on the outside. And down the stretch they come. Jetson, Lancelot is on the outside. Jetson, Lancelot running on the outside. Lancelot, a long shot running on the outside. Jetson is by the rail. Lancelot, a long shot now moves up to grab the lead. And finally, Lancelot, Jetson, mas masaya sa Pinas, the Fountainhead. So